How many of the following finite automata accept non-negative integers without leading zeros? You might ask that why you use non-negative, not just simply using positive. Well, that's because positive only means the numbers start from 1 upwards. It doesn't including 0. So in maths, when you say non-negative, that means you have positive numbers and zeros. I could simply use another term. I should say natural numbers. Okay, it's the same meaning. Right, so we need to have a correct finite automata which defines this language. Anything with a leading zero is not allowed. So things like this, with 0 in front is not allowed. But we must accept if it's just 0 itself, I should accept. So remember two things. All the finite automatas I gave you 4 examples to check. They should accept all those legal strings, and they must reject anything with leading zeros. Right. I gave you 4 choices answer. I'm asking how many. So could be all of them correct or 3, 2, 1. You really need to examine all the possible things. I gave you 4 possible drawings. Okay. First one, we have, beginning with 0 and 9, and then here's a loop, any number of 0 and 9s. So as you can see, this path will represent really all the positive numbers, but 0 is not represented in this path. And for 0, we can go this way, go up. But problem is this, is there another loop? This loop make you accept things like, which I just said. If you have 0, 0 is okay, but 0, 1, you shouldn't accept this. But with this finite automata, you can go 0 and 1. Okay, so that is definitely is wrong. Now, second choice. The difference between first one and second one, if I can zoom in for both, is that the top, this transition, which I just mentioned, this loop, make it 0, 1 acceptable. Yeah, so that's not good. Well, this one, we don't have that loop. So that makes a perfect choice, because all the positive integers, you can go through this path, okay? And if it's just 0 itself, it will go the separate way. Right, so that is correct. Let's move down. What do you think? The key point here is we really need to identify leading zeros. Then you can see from this one, when you have 0, and here you can take more. So that is incorrect. So simply you can give 0, 0 and be accepted. Okay. Now the last one, compare with the correct answer. If you go up, the second choice, as you can see, that is their second path, but it will not be able to receive. If you have a string 0, okay, 0 should be acceptable, which this one, it can't accept 0. So that's one is also wrong. Right, in summary, we only have this, the second choice is correct answer. Right, so let me go back to the top. The correct answer for this question is D. We only have one possible answer is correct. As you can see, for this type of question, it's very, very easy for me to ask you same question, but probably give you different choices. Really, so if you need to understand in summary, you need to identify what you should accept, what you should reject. You must reject. Okay, good luck.